Hey family. What if the common modern picture of hell as eternal conscious torment is not exactly what the original Hebrew scriptures describe? Today, I want to humbly share some research I've been doing into the Hebrew words Sheol and Gehenna. I'm not here to claim I have the final answer. I'm simply exploring what the ancient texts and historical context appear to show. I'd genuinely love to hear your thoughts at the end. Over the centuries, the single English word hell has been used to translate several different Hebrew concepts. When we go back to the original Hebrew Bible, we find Sheol, which most often refers to the common silent grave, where all people go, whether righteous or unrighteous. It is not portrayed as a place of fiery punishment, but simply the resting place where the body returns to dust and the breath returns to God. Then we have Gehenna. This was a real, physical valley outside Jerusalem used as a trash dump where fires burned continuously. The prophets used this valley as a powerful metaphor. Many researchers today suggest the fire imagery was connected more to purification and removal of waste than to eternal conscious torment. So this is where my research has led me so far. The Hebrew scriptures seem to present a more complex and potentially hopeful picture, rather than a destination of inescapable pain. The ancient texts often point toward the restoration of all things. Scholars highlight that in various Hebrew poetic traditions, Sheol is a shadow. Yes, but it's a shadow waiting for a dawn. This research suggests that the biblical focus wasn't on a duality of heaven versus hell, but on the ultimate victory of God over the grave. It changes the conversation from one of fear to one of divine reconciliation and the eventual healing of the human soul. I'm not saying this is the only correct interpretation. I'm simply sharing what I've found in the original language and context. What are your thoughts? Does this research challenge or deepen your understanding? Please feel free to share your perspective respectfully in the comments. I genuinely want to learn from you. If this study encouraged you, please like and subscribe. God bless you. See you in the next one.